Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sum of the largest 9-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. So what is the largest 9-digit number? So the largest 9-digit number is equal to the smallest 10-digit number minus 1. So the smallest 10-digit number is 1 followed by 9 zeros, and if we subtract 1 from that number, then we are going to obtain 9 nines. That is, largest 9-digit number will be equals 9 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, that's great. And now we have to find the smallest 6-digit number. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1 followed by 5 zeros. So smallest 6-digit number will be equals 1 followed by 5 zeros. So now, according to the question, we have to find the sum of the largest 9-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. So we will get 9 plus 0 will give us 9. Again we have 9. So similarly 5 nines. After that we have 1 2 3 4 5. Then 9 plus 1 will become 10. We have 1 as a carry. Again add that 1 to 9. So we will have 10. So again we have 1 as a carry. Again 9 plus 1 10. So we have 1 as a carry. And finally 9 plus 1 10. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 followed by 5 nines. So let's see which answer is correct. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option A will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.